Welcome back, YouTube. We have another amazing video for you guys today. I am here with my friend Shanna. Of course, we have another workout slash Q&A going on today for you. And yeah,
stay tuned.
What's gonna happen. Yes.
I feel the same way. I know they watching on you. I know they plotting on you. I know it's weighing on you. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. That's right. I feel the same way. 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 We don't never cry. We let the Jones do it. Never trust a nigga you see going through it. You gotta ask for love. It ain't for you, cuz. They gotta ask for trust. They gon' cross you up.
Waist trainers. Honestly, with waist trainers, I think that you can lose a lot of water weight. But people confuse losing water weight with losing fat. There's a difference. For instance, if you have a wedding to go to, I personally feel that you're trying to lose weight that same exact day. With water weight, that can be easily lost by wearing a waist trainer. But the difference is, right after you eat something salty, you're going to gain all that weight right back. So water weight is not real weight that you're losing. It's just water that you're losing, period. Most of the time, I think people get confused because a lot of athletic individuals during like prep or comp season, they're using waist trainers and people think, oh, that's what they did to lose the weight. Yeah. No, that's not what they did. It's all about nutrition, diet, and exercise. Yeah. And then that's just like the cherry on top, just to lose just to cut a little bit of that water off. Yeah. And as far as replacing diet and nutrition with the waist trainers is out of the
I'm not really a fan of them personally. I know a lot of people like to wear them for the shape, but being pre and post certified, I learned that when you put on the waist trainer, it actually moves your organs. Right. So that's a rumor, but I learned that it's actually true.
Right.
So a lot of people, after they have babies or postpartum, it is good for them to actually put on the waist trainer because it's moving the organs back into place. But for everyday use, going to the gym, wearing it at work, no, I'm not a fan. Yeah. Not a fan at all.
It's very dangerous to even get into that, wearing that every single day. Because some people, when you're wearing a waist trainer, you're not contracting your core.
Personally, I need the energy. So I use Gym, JYM. It doesn't give me any jitters. I'm focused. I'm probably working out for like an hour and a half. I used C4 before, but that had me all jittery. So it depends on the person. Some people can use natural caffeine like coffee and go. Some people don't need it at all. But I don't know, what do you think?
It's very dependent on the individual, because honestly, if you're working out first thing in the morning, you should already have enough energy to go in and just do your exercise routine. But it's later on, if it's later on in the day, or you need like a quick boost, then yeah, pre-workout is definitely necessary, depending on who you are. For me, I try to stay away from caffeine only because of the whole fibroid situation, and caffeine can make it grow. So I try to monitor how much caffeine I take in. Okay, that's a good one. You want me to answer? Oh, go ahead. Go ahead. You go ahead.
You talking about Shanna like 2-3 years ago? Man, I used to get down too much, a little too much. Yeah. But now that I'm more concerned about my health, I'm older, and also I think after you hit 30, it's like you can't even handle that much alcohol. It takes me like 2 days to recover. I'm good. I'm really good. So I really, if anything, I'll probably drink like wine on the weekends, but not too much. Yeah. I don't feel like feeling it the next day.
Yeah, I agree with you 100%. As far as like consuming the extra calories, when you're health conscious, you just realize, I don't really need this, but it's good. Like if you're in a social setting, you can have fun with your friends every now and then. But like you said, on a day-to-day basis, I try to I avoid alcohol at all costs. I'm not really a fan of it. Can't do it. Too much sugar. My body type is a mesomorph. Shanna is an ectomorph. Yes. So the difference between the two body types, mesomorph, your metabolism is right in the middle. You can easily gain weight or lose weight. So whatever it is I'm trying to do, if I'm trying to cut, I can easily cut. If I'm trying to bulk, I can easily bulk. But with Shanna, her body type is she has a gift and a curse. You see this body right here? This is the body that everybody always wants because she could stay slim all year round. But her biggest challenge is gaining weight.
Yes.
So she has to eat a lot more, like as far as like clean carbohydrates, not dirty bulking, clean carbohydrates, especially when it comes to building muscle as well. It can be very challenging for a lot of ectomorphs as well. So that's the difference between the two body types. So anybody, regardless of your body type, even if you're an endomorph where you carry more fat, you can look fit regardless if you're endo, ecto, or meso. As a matter of fact, I'm meso-endo because I'm gonna explain this to you. My metabolism is a lot quicker, but I have stubborn body fat right down here. As far as dropping body fat, it's stubborn. The biggest challenge that I've had during my fitness journey, I can say, because I did explain I'm meso-endo, was dropping my body fat percentage in, my lower area, and that's because that's stubborn body fat. So that was my biggest challenge. Most people would say, well, why would you want to lose that? I was trying to lean out, just to make sure. And in order for me to lean out, I had to cut that fat. That was so hard. That was so hard for me. So I'm just boring people about muscle definition, but I never had a struggle with building muscle. More so burning fat.
I'm the opposite. Well, when I first started my fitness journey, I was 125, all muscle. I ran track, I was solid, had a six-pack. And then my mother passed away. Oh, wow. So I got into the motion of work. Then one day I looked in the mirror and I was like 99 pounds. The dress wasn't hitting right. I was just I was like a stick. So I started hitting the gym. I started lifting heavy, and then I noticed that I wasn't getting the gains that I wanted. I was still, like, from 99 I would go to 105, and from 105 I plateaued there for like a year or two, and then I realized that my nutrition was off. So because I'm an ectomorph, so I was burning, still wasn't building anything. And I think you made a video on MyFitnessPal. So I used MyFitnessPal. I started counting my calories. In the end, I had my caloric intake. I had to have, I think, 2,700 calories in order to build muscle because I was burning so much. And then that's when I started to notice, like, I started lifting heavy. I mean, calories in, calories out. So I started lifting heavier. I started building more muscle. Now I'm at 115. I'm not quite at my 125, but I'm content where I'm at. So if I get to 120 or 125, I'll be happy. But at the end of the day, you have to love yourself where you are.
Absolutely.
So that's been my fitness journey.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Serve two different purposes. Right. I mean, body squats, I feel like it burns fat more. Whereas if you're doing barbell squats, you're lifting and you're building muscle. It depends on what your goal is and what your focus is. So what do you think?
Absolutely, I agree with you 100%. As far as like the build, and especially to build glutes, barbell squats is definitely going to give you that nice round shape, along with different, lower body exercises. But definitely build those glutes. Barbell squat is it. Body squats, unless you use some type of external resistance, can help you get there. But as far as like, just performing body squats alone, you're gonna need a lot of squats to get that lift that you want in those glutes. Yeah. We're gonna get into a quick exercise routine that's gonna help you to shed fat and tone your muscles. It's another thing. We use a sturdy surface to perform this exercise. You can perform it at home or in the gym. If you're in the gym, use a stepper. But if you're at home, use a sturdy surface.
Your triceps, pulling yourself down, pulling yourself back up, 5 times.
Try not to lock your elbows too.
Into reverse mountain climbers. That's that.
We're about to perform single leg glute bridges. You can either perform this on the floor, or if you have a stepper, you can perform this on the stepper. If you have resistance, you can apply it around your waist, and then just raise your hips up and come back down. But always remember when you're laying flat on the stepper, don't have that arch in your lower back. You're gonna make sure that you tuck your pelvis in and lay flat on your floor or your stepper. Then raise up with those hips. Squeeze those glutes. Tighten it up, just like Shanna's doing right here. That's an example of. Make sure you squeeze the glutes at the top. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're trying to build those glutes, add resistance. So normally, she would be, if we had external weight, she would apply it like around her waist and then just go up.
So this exercise is good for building your quads, as well as building your hamstrings, and as she's coming up, lifting that leg, squeezing her glute. So it'll get you that round, firm, nice peach in the back.
For my glutes, definitely, when I squeeze at the top, you can feel the muscle contracting. And
as well as when you're stepping up, it's good for your calves, and your lower legs. This is a fun exercise.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't done so already, please follow. Okay, go check Shanna out on Instagram. She's an amazing personal trainer. Make sure that you check her out. The Instagram will be in the video. And I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
And hit the notification button. Make
Subscribe.
sure you hit.
Yes, we did good.
Yes. Yes, we did. Ooh, I feel like I'm about to pass out.
I feel the same way. That's right. I feel the same way. I know they watching on you. I know they plotting on you. I know it's weighing on you. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. That's right. I feel the same way. 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 We don't never cry. We let the